If you love chicken recipes that are quick, colorful and full of flavors, then this one is going to be your new favorite. It's the kind of recipe that looks fancy but is super easy to make. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. So first heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's slightly hot, add medium-sized onion petals, not chopped but in layered form. Now add 3 types of bell peppers, yellow, red and green, 30 grams each. Sprinkle some white pepper powder and a pinch of salt over them to enhance their natural flavor. Now saute everything on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Once done, remove the veggies from the pan and set them aside for later. In the same pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil again. Now add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions and saute until they turn light golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now add 300 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch powder. Now mix everything well and cook the chicken until the spices are fully blended and the oil start to separate a bit. Now pour half cup of water, mix everything together and keep in low flame for 5 minutes. This step is important as the chicken soaks in all the flavors and becomes super tender. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. It gives the dish a sweet and tangy flavor. Now add the sauteed bell peppers and onion petals we kept aside earlier. Add 2 sliced green chilies to give a light spicy flavor. Now mix everything together and finally add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves for that beautiful aroma and freshness. Now the colorful and flavorful chicken recipe is ready to serve. Serve this hot and flavorful chicken recipe with roti, paratha or even steamed rice. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.